Welcome back to One Fan's Opinion. Short one, we're just going to go through the team standings. In first place, we've got McLaren with 279 points. Second place is Mercedes with 147 points. Third place, Red Bull, 131 points. Fourth place, Ferrari with 114 points. Fifth, we've got Williams with 51 points. Sixth, we've got Haas with 20 points. Seventh, Aston Martin with 14 points. Eighth place, we've got Racing Bulls with 10 points. Ninth place, Alpine with 7 points. And in 10th place, Kick Sauber with 6 points.